Today on this episode of Diary with Dad, we're going to put together
a bike
rack because we have a crowded garage and we need a nice bike rack so that it's easy to reach. Okay, let's go.
I'm taking a base bracket and then I'm gonna take all the bottom poles and
put it together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it comes together.
Okay. It's gonna be okay.
How's the project coming along?
It's going good. We're making the middle and then we're gonna get the other one.
Great.
Side. It is?
Yeah, the screws go on the other side.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay. Can I do it?
Fantastic.
Okay. So, we had made a bicycle rack and now we're gonna put it to use. Me and my brother are going bicycling. It's very important to wear your helmet for safety while doing any of these activities. Whoa. Okay. I think this was from, what company was it from?
Delta.
Exactly. It's great, and I'm gonna make some rounds.
Okay, go make some rounds.